IntuScribe AI, Push Notes to EHR tutorial. Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to push notes to your EHR using the IntuScribe AI Chrome extension. After installing the extension, you'll notice a black floating assistant button in the bottom right corner of your screen. You can click, hold, and drag this floating assistant anywhere on your screen for easy access. Now let's look at the record section. Here, you'll find the Start Recording button. Click it to record your consultation. Once the recording is complete, IntuScribe AI automatically converts it into a transcript and saves it as a session. If you want to dictate directly into a specific EHR form field, simply click on the field you want to update. Then click Dictate into Field and start speaking. The selected field will be automatically populated with your dictated content. Now, let's see how to push notes to your EHR. Go to the Session section and open the Patient session. In this example, I'm loading a previously recorded session. Once the session is loaded, the transcript will appear on the screen. Short pause. Next, click the Push to EHR button. IntuScribe AI analyzes the transcript, extracts the relevant clinical information, and automatically fills the appropriate EHR fields with structured data. And that's it. With IntuScribe AI, you can quickly convert your consultation into structured EHR notes, saving time and reducing manual documentation. Thank you for watching.